Okay, hello there everyone. The Force F100 Ghost and why the camera mount is so bad to begin with. I've cracked the code and figured it out. Now, sadly, I fixed it before I even took it out for its first flight, which I should have done just to get a comparison video. If you want to get a good sense of what that looks like, go to the RC Sailors. That's Nate and Abby, I believe, and what's the dog's name? Right out of the box, he just put the camera mount on, put the GoPro or similar, and put the pads in he mentioned that keep the camera steady inside here, but that I found out was not the issue. You can see this. You can see that. That's a massive, massive amount of jolting. That's why the cameras look like crap on the F100. So, 4 screws on top here. Take this off. It's rubber with little fins. And this is supposed to act as like the rubber for the gimbal. You're not making complete flush contact with the seat that's in here. You're getting a lot of movement upside in here like this. See how this is steady, but this is moving around a lot? Now that's an issue. And what I've done here was crazy glue and baking soda all on the inside of there. And what that did was that created a really steady camera mounting. The Force F100 Ghost and why the camera mount is so bad.